Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you everything we bought at Shiko. Let me show you. So now this is everything we bought. It's a big box like this. I'm going to unbox everything and show you everything tumenunua kwa Shiko wa high style, na nitawaambia na prices. Just stay with me. Hello guys. So today I'm going to show you everything I bought at Shiko. Everything with prices included. I'll start with this. This is a duvet. I'm not going to remove everything in it. So this is a duvet. It has 7 pieces. I think it's a duvet and bed sheet and duvet, bed sheet, four pillows, and 2 curtains, I think. Yes, this was for 3,800. And then there is this. I'm starting with bed sheets, and this was I think 15. We bought 2 pieces of this. It's this in this color and this one in this color at 1,500. And this, which is my favorite because I had bought it. If you watch my videos, you know that last time I bought a piece like this. So it's like this. Now it's in beige. Is this beige or cream white? I don't know. We bought this, and I think it's a bed. It has a duvet cover and one bed sheet and 2 pillowcases. So this was 850. I'm confused. Sorry. English is not Englishing. This is everything about bed sheets. Let me start with this. So now here we have this pan in green. This was for 700. This was for 700 and a boni. And this kitchen towel. Okay, this is it. It's good quality, guys. This is good quality. If you can get it, go and get it. It was 150. This. And then we bought these jars. How do they call it? Smart storage set. It has 3 piece. I'm going to store my cereals in this. I will see if spaghetti can fit. 1 piece is big like this. This is the biggest piece. And there is another one here, the smallest one. And then there is this one. So for this, I bought 2 of these. I'll show you another one. This was 400, 450. Yes. For the next thing we bought is this towel. I think this is the best quality. I bought this for 350. And I asked another store, they told me that it went for 500. So it's a win. You can go and get it. This one for 50. And then there is this big one. I think this is a big quality. This went for 700. I think it's this long, and it's in white color. I always buy white towels. I don't know why. And then we have this thermos. Thermos was for 50. For 50. And then we bought these mugs. Let me get a scissor and show you. They are black in color. It's so hard to open this, but you can see just black. Yeah, this is how they look. I don't want to open the whole package because I think they are safe like this, because the person who is going to use them, she's moving out, so we have to keep them safe. This went for I think these were, the mugs were 400, and then this jug, it's cute. See, 500 only. I remember the price of this because I asked in Kamukunji, and then this was for 1,000. So 500 that you are going to save. It's a steal. Go, run, mwende kwa Shiko wapatie vitu smart kwa na bei poa. I'm not promoting her, but you know, Shiko is Shiko. And then we got this kettle. I liked this kettle. It's cute, and even in the inside, it looks good. Let me show you. See how smart this is. See. I think if there is another one, you can go run and get it. I loved the inside. Hey. I wish I knew how to open this so that I can show you the inside. It's opened. Look. This is so cute. The kettle was 1,500. Yeah, 1,500 for the kettle, and it comes with this. And then we bought, things are heavy. We bought a blender. You can see this is the blender. I'm not going to take everything out. The blender we bought the blender for, I think it's 3K. Yes, 3K. I don't know if you can see it. It's 3K for the blender. I think this is a good quality. This, I'm not taking everything outside, but you can see it's just a blender. I think it's 2-in-1, if I'm not wrong. Yes, it's 2-in-1, and it has this thing which I like. So I will give you a review how it works when I'll start using it. And we bought these balls because we had bought like mugs that looked like this, that has the same design. So this we bought, I think we bought maybe 4 of them. We bought 4 of them. These they went for, one goes for 250, and then this is another set for the storage smart storage set. It's the same thing, the same color, black. More balls. And then you see we bought balls that looks the same with these plates. These plates are small. The plates are small, but I think they are cute. They goes like they match with the balls. Look at this. Look at this. Yeah? Gold everywhere. And we bought this nini, I don't know how to call them. We bought them at 300, I think. Three of them for 300. We bought it in blue, green. I think even this is blue. I don't know. Light blue. Yes, we bought them at 300. 3 piece for 300. And then we bought these. They look cute. Let me show you. I think all of you know this. It just serving bowls, hot pots. So you can compare your prices and see what works better for you, if it's Kamukunji or Shiko. But so far what we have checked, we have seen that Shiko, for Shiko, like there is a good discount with Shiko. You can get you can save a lot of money buying at Shiko. It looks like this. This looks like this. And in the inside it's like this. It's 4 pieces for 4 pieces for okay, why am I not seeing? For 3K. We bought this for 3K, and they look good. I hope they keep the food warm. Let's wait and see. I also love the color. It's chocolate in color, which is good. This is it. This is the set. So at this point, if Shiko, you are watching my video, please do something, eh? Because we bought a lot of things. We bought 3 knives. It's sharp. It almost. Karibu inifanyie inikate. So we bought one in green. I think 2 green, and then we bought this one in this color chocolate. Also, last but not least, we bought TC. I think they are called sufurias, tornado, something like that. TC sufurias. I don't know if it's TC or tornado. It's the same brand that I have, but because I'm buying this for my friend and I have tested this sufuria and they are doing a good job to me, I said why not. I recommended them to my friend. Now she bought them. We also bought a lot of things in Kamkunji, but I'm not going to include them in this video because so far, like with what we have seen that the prices at Shiko are the best so far. So far, this is the reed. I think you know the sufurias. This is it. I'm just having that kanini ka feeling when I started getting them, how I was so happy when I bought them. But now, because I don't have skills to make them shine like this, ziko tu, zimekaa tu, zimekaa hivo. If you have a tip on how I can wash my sufurias, just give it to me. They come with reeds. Like this. You cover them and then you put this here. And then these were for 4,700. Yeah. And this is everything we bought at Shiko. Thank you for watching. And then thank you for watching this video. Until the next time. See you.